Hi guys, Mr. Santos here. Today we're going to learn how to create another decorative art piece in Onshape. This design can be used in many different ways. You can scale it up and hang it on the wall, make it smaller as a keychain, or even use it as an accessory. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel. Subscribing helps the channel grow and allows this content to reach other people who enjoy STEM. Right now, I'm creating videos about Onshape and sharing my knowledge with you, but more STEM topics will be added in the future. That way, you can keep learning from home or from school in a simple and practical way. Also, leave a like if you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, that's okay. Leave a comment and tell me what I can improve. Your feedback helps me make better lessons for you. Alright, let's get started. Once you log into Onshape, this screen will appear. Click on the Create button and choose Document. Let's name this project Jesus Decoration and then click Create. Now you'll see the workspace with the 3 planes. Remember, you can right-click and drag to rotate the view, use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out, and hold the Control key while right-clicking to move the view left, right, up, or down. On the left side, hide the front plane and the right plane. We'll work only with the top plane. Right-click the top plane and select View Normal to. Zoom in a little to make your work easier. I always like to start by defining the area where I will work. This helps me avoid size mistakes later. Click the Sketch button and select the top plane. Turn on Construction and choose Center Point Rectangle. Click in the center and define the work area using the Dimension tool. For this project, the height of the letters will be about 5.5 inches, and each letter will fit inside a space that is 0.75 inches wide. This rectangle represents our working limit. You can always change these dimensions later if you want. Now add construction lines to define the spacing between the letters. Construction lines will not appear in the final print. They are only guides. Use the Dimension tool to set the spacing between each letter area to 0.75 inches. This design will have 5 letters, so we'll create 5 equal spaces. At any time, you can double-click a dimension and change it if you want. Now we'll start drawing the letters. We'll do everything in the same sketch to keep it simple. Let's start with the first letter, the letter J. Select the Line tool. Zoom in a bit. Click on the guideline, move up, and start shaping the letter. This is just an example. You can design the letter however you like. Once the shape is closed, you'll see it shaded. That means it's ready for extrusion. Now move to the next letter and draw it using the same idea. If you want to keep the same height, move your mouse up without clicking and follow the alignment line that appears. Draw the letter the way you prefer. You can make it thinner, wider, taller, or shorter. It's your design. Repeat the process for the next letters, always staying within the limits we defined earlier. If you make a mistake, just press Ctrl+Z and try again. Each time a letter turns gray or shaded, it means the shape is closed and ready. Once all letters are complete, we now have our 2D design. Click Extrude. Onshape will automatically select the closed shapes. Set the extrusion distance to about 1 inch. Before confirming, rename this feature Jesus Extrude so it's easy to find later. Click Confirm. If you notice that some letters are not connected, don't worry. Double-click the sketch and add small connecting rectangles between the letters. These connectors prevent the letters from breaking apart after printing. Once everything is connected, exit the sketch and the model will update automatically. Now let's create a hole so this piece can be hung on a wall or used as a keychain. Create a new sketch. Select the face where you want the hole. Choose Center Point Circle and draw a circle. Give it a size that makes sense for your project. Rename this sketch Circle. Now extrude it using Remove Material if the hole looks too big. Double-click the extrusion and reduce it. Be careful not to place the hole too close to the edge because that can weaken the print. You can always adjust the size depending on whether you're using this as wall art, a keychain, or an accessory. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a like if you enjoyed the video, dislike if you didn't, and leave a comment so we can keep improving these lessons. Everything here is made with care, sharing knowledge with you and encouraging you to develop your own ideas. God bless you.